Welcome to Connector. Connector is a fresh way of looking at social networking which integrates popular communication websites such as Facebook, Gmail in a single web page of our website. The significance of our website is that it widens the horizon of social networking by enabling peer-to-peer communication.
Let's take a tour of Connector. The user should log into their home page using their credentials. The major features of Connector can be listed as Facebook integration, Gmail integration, Add Friend, and peer-to-peer chat application. Facebook integration. The user's Facebook status and other feeds are presented in a widget in the main page. Facebook is integrated by using the Facebook Batch API provided by the Facebook developer team. Gmail integration. The user's Gmail account is shown as another widget in the user's main page. Gmail is integrated into Connector by using RSS feeds that can be accessed via Google Atom.
Add friends. Connectors can invite their pals and family by using the Add button. Add generates a unique link that is sent to the recipient's email address. Upon clicking the link, the friend is directed to the connector's registration page where he gets connected. Connector uses a mirror-based chat very similar to popular VoIP application called Skype. The mirroring technique is used to overcome the limitations of NAT and firewalls. The user's friends are listed on the leftmost list box of the connector's main page. On clicking the friend's name and selecting the connect button, a P2P chat session is initiated. This talk gives a brief overview of the social networking system Connector. Let us get connected.